Hi, my name is Raul Polit Casillas. We are developing a new type of home, one that grows with you, pays itself, and restores nature. Our new type of habitat allows to adapt physically to any condition, any situation, any use. It produces all the resources it needs, completely off-grid, anywhere on the planet. So water, power, waste management, even some food production. And they do it while extracting CO2 out of the atmosphere, as well as pollution. All the production and surplus goes into your pocket. And we use state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and data science to optimize every kilogram of mass, every watt of energy. We've been running this project for a couple years. We are finishing up our first digital prototype, and we're starting production of our first unit. So we need you as an investor, we need you as a sponsor, and we need you as a client. But most importantly, we also need you as a supporter. Thank you.